Good day, my people. As you all know, this now one and only program waiting to be inside Salone on Discovery Hour. So now all know me now one and only host, the one and only articulated, superlistic, the one and only Pastor. Today, I bring on an interesting, debating, powerful topic. The topic is all about the mining companies, what our previous government supposed to have done. People go ask, say, waiting and suppose for be not do, or waiting with previous government supposed for do. Oh my goodness. Like for instance, there are some things that they're supposed for don't do in NTNA when they on negotiation based on the mining companies there. One, now the negotiation aspects. Like for instance, in the areas of tax, maintenance fees, and them community then where the mining they go on. Like for instance, like who get Africa Minerals, London Mining, the other companies there. You know, then they do well. Nobody not going to dispute the fact because they employ Sierra Leoneans and way be say then they receive salaries and other benefits at the end of the month. Very good. Something where be say myself appreciate and glad about them things and they. They are technical where they see and they give big money them where they can say development fee. And then on they can somehow raise up to billions of loans, including millions of dollars based on which way to done the year, including billions of dollars which way to done the year. But my point here is what the negotiation indeed they for be not make her any way like for instance they for don't cut the tax system for them mining companies there. Most of the one the way be say. Moreover, the one the way be say, then they use this train, this railway, this cam, the other way even for pass away with them goods same, for exports them goods same, or a means of transport in them goods same. You don't understand. I believe that them for be not cost the tax them. You don't understand from them coming in then tell them do an expansion. I mean an expansion of railway. So that the railway track or the railway road go inside the city. And when the railway road then they come inside the city, trust me, then Fenway where the train self they come inside the city. When the train come inside the city, trust me, one thing will go happen. Them pass days away, mama them, papa there. Then they tell me, say, hey, the town we get train at this country be sweet. The town we get train at this country be fine for look. Because one, let's tell you what's in the first happen. One, it help for boost the marketing system up. Waiting people they try for, wait I try for a person here to people. One meaning will help for boost the marketing system up. Like for instance, with goods them, they will perishable goods them. I mean they will goods away easily for fuel. They're not going to pull again on the way coming. Because the train will help for transport then goods and can at home. We get people away be say then they can walk on at all, then they come all the way from the provinces. Them people and they trust me, them go the road na then train and they can inside home. Come and do them business them quick before they say 30 minutes or 35 minutes, they don't cancel. But then say the next 35 minutes, they don't go back. You don't understand him. That's when they go help to ease the burden of transportation from the capital cities to the provinces. Where the one the way land book can say countryside, you know, I mean upline or the provinces, you don't understand inside and in. And trust me, you know, that train movement thing. Get them, say from the provinces, the side and it, take her inside the capital cities. Trust me, it will even create job employment for so many Sierra Leoneans. Them, yeah, we have people that will go work inside the train. It will be an easy ways of transporting people and goods from one place to another. Trust me. And this will help for make the government get more revenue. And trust me, the more money we make, the more the country itself go develop. Because them money they go put them aside the way we say they're not going to allocate funds for the area they need. The area they themselves go rise up. And trust me, it go help we more. Yes. Because mind you, can you imagine no more the ambience for say we don't get train back now we capital city. How it go look like? People then go they come, we go then purposely now for do train ride. And we go to make money. And then we go send like I been talk earlier on them perishable goods send we go save them. Yeah. Imagine, and that will help all for coil down the means of transportation. We're going to make even some of the wicked drivers they will get where we say because they know say now they know they go particular side now the provinces go afraid because if the train they take a cheaper rate, you know, they get more people, and that money they go to the government, and you know only they go to the government and they mix with the people in back because where they use out for development a particular side. Now we the people and they enjoy that development thing. But trust me, they don't tend and they go negotiate for them contracts and yes, it's good. Yeah, because now we Sierra Leoneans, you know, they benefit from that. When they come, they go give almost million as a benefit fee or the other stuff they need. Them money and they don't take them. Then put on this side. Oh my goodness. Trust me, by this time, or for don't enjoy. Or for don't see, you know, the results where they come out of this thing. But my people, no. The way where they go negotiate, a good one way or the other back, is not good. Because if they don't make on this skyway where they try to articulate and disseminate, they pump to mind, they pass this information. Trust me, it will help you a lot. Trust me, by then say I will not for the cry, then can't cry, or the cry say, the driver then they transport up, the driver then they make this so, the goods send the pueblo, the goods send there, yes, then go there, but don't go there. The idea so. Even the economy self go come up small. Because now a way for let the economy revamp. Yeah! Because the more you employ people, the more they receive salary, the more they save, they ease the burden of their families. But if they don't get work, the family then go suffer. And when they suffer, the economy safe. If they church the economy that way in a negative way. So I plead on behalf of the next coming government, I mean the awaiting government, where they come, let una think over this issue. Una meditate over this issue. So when una they come, una need to go over all them contracts there, where una be not award to various mining companies, where then they use their railway track there or their railway line there. For let una go back and talk and try for renegotiate. At least let get there with railway. Let train begin come back na the capital city. It go help a lot. Where they talk and so, you know, it's small, but when that's going to happen, I will see how benefits this thing can be to we. And we don't see other countries them. How then the benefits Panencia. How the economy the boom through Dentia. If some tourists they can come, some man they can purposely say like can say Salone train, but let's see, like can get experience on the Sierra Leonean train. Let's see how the movement they take place. You they get me? Some of them side and they when they can and they go inside and they because of the train no they reach Natoya. Because if the train they reach Natoya, trust me, people them. When in tourists and they come, trust me, then they make always a means for let them go towards the side and they. So once again, at the advocate, at the plead, you know, so the next coming government where they come, not to buy power, not to buy force, not by sabi, and where you work smart work, you don't understand them. Trust me, you will get a very good and smart result. At the beg, they are the next coming governments where they come. Let una check, find, and try for watch into then deals their way una previous successors them be not they do. because we wanna look into that, the mistakes is them where they make. Una not go make again a mistake than you. Una will try for correct time. Once again, this now a program waiting to be inside Salone on Discovery Hours. You know, I'm not gonna go without acknowledging the presence of the one and only camera operator, our chief editor, the one and only editor, Oscar. And also, I'm not gonna go without acknowledging the presence of the one and only, the Iron Lady, the game changer, Doctor, Executive Producer, Doctor Aisatu Kake Yalo Tata.